2024 BMW i5. The 2024 BMW i5 represents the latest addition to the renowned BMW 5 Series sedan lineup, bringing an exciting blend of futuristic design, advanced technology, and impressive electric performance. As a fully electric vehicle, the BMW i5 embodies the brand's commitment to sustainable mobility without compromising on luxury and driving dynamics. The M60 xDrive is a high-performance electric car with 590 HP. It has front and rear drive units, which make it an all-wheel drive system. The rear motor has 335 HP, and the front motor has 257 HP, together they generate 549 lb-ft of torque. The M Sport Boost or M Launch Control can increase it to 605 lb-ft. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds with a top speed of 143 miles per hour. The design of the BMW i5 is a harmonious blend of elegance and aerodynamic efficiency. Its sleek lines and sculpted contours not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to its impressive range and reduced drag coefficient. The interior is a testament to BMW's commitment to luxury and innovation, with premium materials, advanced infotainment systems, and cutting-edge driver assistance features. With its advanced electric drivetrain, this vehicle offers an estimated range of up to 295 miles on a single charge, providing ample flexibility for both daily commutes and long-distance journeys. Charging the i5 is convenient and fast, thanks to level 2 AC charging of up to 11 kilowatts and DC fast charging at a rate of 205 kilowatts, enabling a quick charge from 10% to 80% in approximately 30 minutes. This electric car represents the future of mobility, providing outstanding speed, remarkable distance coverage, and comfortable lavishness. It is a testament to BMW's dedication to sustainability and cutting-edge technology, providing a driving experience that is both thrilling and eco-friendly. The i5 raises the bar in the electric car industry, making it an attractive option for those in search of a high-end electric sedan that combines potency, effectiveness, and elegance. Exterior 2024 i5. The exterior design of the 2024 BMW i5 is a stunning blend of futuristic aesthetics and aerodynamic efficiency. Every line and curve of the i5's bodywork has been meticulously crafted to optimize airflow and reduce drag, enhancing both performance and range. At the front, the i5 features a bold and distinctive kidney grille, signaling its electric powertrain while maintaining the iconic BMW design language. The sleek LED headlights seamlessly integrate into the sculpted front end, adding a touch of modernity to the overall appearance. Moving along the side profile, the electric vehicle showcases a sleek and streamlined silhouette, accentuated by well-defined character lines. The long wheelbase and short overhangs give the vehicle a sporty and dynamic stance, hinting at its impressive performance capabilities. Towards the rear, this car features sleek LED tail lights that wrap around the body, emphasizing the car's width and adding a touch of sophistication. The integrated rear spoiler not only enhances the aerodynamics but also adds a sporty flair to the overall design. Completing the exterior package are the stylish alloy wheels, available in various sizes and finishes, adding a touch of personalization and further enhancing the i5's visual appeal. Overall, the exterior design of this electric vehicle is a testament to the brand's commitment to blending cutting-edge technology with timeless elegance. It's a car that effortlessly stands out on the road, showcasing its electric capabilities while exuding a sense of premium luxury and sportiness. Interior 2024 BMW i5. The interior of the 2024 BMW i5 is a harmonious blend of modern design, premium materials, and advanced technology, creating a luxurious and futuristic driving environment. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a spacious and ergonomic cabin that seamlessly combines comfort and functionality. The interior's main attraction is the BMW curved display, which merges a 12.3-inch information display and a 14.9-inch control display into a single fully digital unit. This advanced display offers a rich BMW iDrive experience that engages multiple senses and is easy to operate using touch control. The display is powered by the BMW operating system 8.5, which ensures quick updates, superior digital content, and optimized online services. The seats in this car are designed for exceptional comfort and support, with a range of adjustment options to cater to individual preferences. Premium materials adorn the surfaces, creating an atmosphere of sophistication and elegance. The use of sustainable materials, such as vegan leather and recycled plastics, further emphasizes the i5's commitment to eco-consciousness. Advanced technology features prominently in the interior, with features like voice commands, gesture control, and a state-of-the-art sound system enhancing the driving experience. Intelligent connectivity options allow seamless integration with smartphones and other devices, keeping you connected on the go. In summary, the interior of this vehicle offers a perfect blend of luxury, innovation, and sustainability. It's a space where comfort meets cutting-edge technology, providing a delightful driving environment for both the driver and passengers. Range and battery. 2024 i5. The 2024 BMW i5 boasts an impressive range and a state-of-the-art battery system, making it a compelling choice for electric vehicle enthusiasts. This car is equipped with the latest 5th-generation BMW eDrive technology, which makes its high-voltage battery highly efficient and offers exceptional performance. The battery system of the i5 consists of several modules strategically placed throughout the vehicle, allowing for optimal weight distribution and maximizing interior space. With its compact dimensions and high energy density, the battery provides a usable energy content of 84.3 kWh, ensuring sufficient power for long journeys. Thanks to the efficient electric motors and intelligent energy management systems, the i5 offers an estimated range of up to 295 miles on a single charge for the xdrive60 variant, while the high-performance M60 xDrive model provides an estimated range of around 256 miles based on preliminary tests. Charging the i5 is convenient and versatile. It supports level 2 AC charging up to 11 kilowatts, allowing for efficient charging at home or public charging stations. Additionally, this vehicle is compatible with DC fast charging, enabling a rapid charge from 10% to 80% in approximately 30 minutes, making long-distance travel more convenient. The advanced battery and charging capabilities of this car ensure that you can enjoy extended driving ranges and easily recharge when needed, providing a seamless and worry-free electric driving experience. Specs. 2024 BMW i5 2024 sedan eDrive60 $295 $68 2024 sedan M60 $256 $85 750. The 2024 BMW i5 is a remarkable electric vehicle that showcases impressive specifications and advanced technologies. Designed with performance and efficiency in mind, this vehicle offers an exhilarating driving experience while prioritizing sustainability. The M60 xDrive is a high-performance electric car that has 590 horsepower and iconic M characteristics. The electric all-wheel drive system has front and rear integrated drive units that provide dynamic performance. The rear electric motor produces a maximum power output of 335 HP, while the front motor generates 257 HP. Together, they generate a combined system torque of 549 lb-ft, which can be elevated to 605 lb-ft with the activation of M Sport Boost or M Launch Control. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds and has a top speed of 143 miles per hour. In terms of range, the i5 offers an estimated range of up to 295 miles on a single charge for the eDrive60 variant, allowing for extended journeys without frequent recharging. The battery system, with a usable energy content of 84.3 kWh, ensures ample power for daily commutes and longer trips. With its impressive specifications and commitment to sustainability, this vehicle represents the future of electric mobility, offering an exciting and responsible driving experience.